Hey everyone, so if you're trying to log into Zety but it's not working, like the page won't load, your password is not accepted, or it keeps looping back to login, yeah, that's frustrating. But don't worry, I'll show you simple fixes step by step. First, double check your email and password, make sure there are no typing mistakes, and that caps lock is turned off. If you still can't log in, click Forgot Password and reset it. Sometimes the issue is just an incorrect or outdated password. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Zety from logging in properly. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. I mean, old stored data can sometimes block the login process. If it still doesn't work, open Zety in incognito mode. This disables extensions and cached data that might be causing the issue. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers. These can sometimes block login scripts and break the page. If nothing works, try another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, or even switch to your phone. Sometimes it's just a compatibility issue. And finally, it could be a server issue. If Zety is down, you just have to wait and try again later. And that's it. One of these fixes should help you log into Zety again without any issues.